all you Gretas and Chutezcats out there. Welcome to Unit 4, Section 8 notes, Earth's Geography and Climate. Super quick notes. So, on your, I can get this out, in your packet on page 31, you should color and label the different zones. So right around the equator, we have our tropical areas, then we have subtropical to the north and south, then our temperate zones, that's where we are. Way north and south are your subpolar, and then at the very north and south are your polar sections. So pause if you need to and color that in. The main ones, understand, are polar, temperate, and tropical. All right, moving on. What determines climate patterns? We got three big things. 1, global air circulation. 2, ocean currents. And 3, the angle of the sun's rays or the tilt. And we looked at some of these things in a previous activity. Understand that heat and precipitation are definitely distributed unevenly because of all of these different factors. The sun rays are going to be most direct at the equator and then have that low level, which is part of the issue, and then it's going to cause different things to happen with air circulation and the ocean currents. Almost got that out. Topographic features, things like mountain ranges and proximity to water. And one of the things that happens when you have a mountain range and it's close to water are what is called the rain shadow effect. And so I'm going to show you 4 different examples if you just search Google for rain shadow effect. So you can get different levels of content going on for the same concept. But the main thing that you should understand is we have these prevailing winds coming in. They're everywhere. They're going to go up the mountain. As they go up the mountain, they're going to get denser and then drop all that rain. So the one side of the mountain is going to have the windward side of the mountain is going to have all of this lush green awesomeness. And then that wind is going to go up over the mountain. It's dumped all its water, so it's going to be very dry on this side. So not only is it's wind, so it's going to dry things out, but it's also very dry wind. So this dry air advances down this side, and you have what is called a rain shadow on this side, on the leeward side of the mountain, where you have that dry air. So this is an example of proximity to water and mountains and how it can affect things when you get this rain shadow. And like I said, this was super quick and easy notes. We've already come to the end. You have survived. So before we go, I want to take this opportunity to let each and every one of you know that you are good enough, you are smart enough, and people do like you. And in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good God, do your homework.